पहिल्या सत्रात 12 जानेराक रोजगार मेळाव्यात इंटरव्यूची तयारी कशी करप, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल आणि बाकीच्यो गजाली शिकयतले. 13 जानेराक इंटरव्यू जातले. 19 आणि 20 जानेराक रोजगार मेळाव्याचे दुसरे सत्र जातले.
There is always a mismatch between the job seeker and the job giver. Most of the time it so happens that even with press release or press ads or whatever, the right candidates are not available. That is the complaint of the industry. Whereas the job seeker does not know which companies to approach, where to find job opportunities, and we find that a lot of unemployed youth are finding their way outside the state for the opportunities. So in order to make these opportunities available to the students, to the unemployed youth, and to those seeking jobs in Goa, and especially for the sons of soil or daughters of the soil, as we can say, we have formed this platform wherein we would initiate the process of bringing together the job giver as well as the job seeker. The first initiative would start from this Saturday, Friday and Saturday. We will be having 2 days program and we will be having programs for both North Goa as well as South Goa. And both places it will be Ravindra Bhavan Fatorda for South Goa and Ravindra Bhavan Sankeli for North Goa. We are also trying to take in the advantage to the doorstep of the rural people, because there are a lot of students, lot of unemployed youth in the rural segment who are qualified technically, who are skilled and who are desiring of gainful opportunity for employment.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.